Hello, this is Mastery Problem for Chapter 13. I don't normally help you with it, but I want to help you with it a little bit to get you started. So I've filled in some of it already to save time. It's read your instructions. You're going through. Here I want you to notice that you paid cash for the payroll tax liability. So employee income tax payable is exactly what you held out of the check. Social Security tax must be double. Medicare tax must be double because you held it out of the employee, and you as the employer have to pay the same amount too. Add those all together, you come up with the amount. So I've done a little bit of that ahead of time. Double, see that? That's double. Then salary expense. Go through salary expense, tells you this is the amount of your total salary, this is how much you held out, and this much. Oops, it doesn't give you all of it. It says you must calculate the Social Security and Medicare tax deductions. Oops. So you must take this times what? 6.2% or 0.062. Times for Medicare, you must take this amount times 0.0145. I do believe. If not, you can look it up. I know. Okay. So maybe I should put a number in. No, because I want you to figure it. I keep giving you all the numbers. Here I did put in U.S. savings bonds payable because that's something new. It's a liability. Here on the 15th we're paying it in. We've held it out of our employees' check. Now we're paying it in. We're getting their savings bonds. So it's reducing. It's decreasing. This is a liability. This is increasing. This is a liability, but we're decreasing it. It's being paid off. That's why this cash is a credit. Okay. Now let's see what else I really want to make certain we get covered. Oh, line 15. I know, I'm making you do some of it. On the 31st, line 15, you have your unemployment tax payable federal, unemployment tax payable state, two separate checks. Oh, hit enter. I want to see if they give that to you or if you have to figure it out. Looky here. They give it to you. Oops. I put the wrong amount in. Did you guys catch that? Hope you did. Oops. I forgot to keep that $1,658.88. Now, if I have a debit here, I must have a credit somewhere. I wrote a check. So that's pretty common. Cash has to be the credit, right? I hope I'm not dumbing this down too much for you, but I want you to get a good start. Okay. Oops. I'm skipping around here. Let's see, where's the memo? Oh, here's a memo. Recorded employer payroll tax expense for May 15th of payroll. That it goes in the general, right? I mean, yeah. Okay. Got to hit enter. And this is payroll tax expense. Now, how do I come up with that? Remember, Social Security tax payable, Medicare tax payable, unemployment tax payable federal, and unemployment tax payable state. So your total should be this amount. Remember, debits must equal credits. I just read through the account titles. You need to pause the video, do that. Then on the 31st, you're doing the payroll tax expense again. How are you going to keep this separate? You have to figure that one out. You can look up the memorandum. I'm going to go ahead and give you this number so that if you have a problem, you know you have a problem. And you can look up the month. It's kind of silly of me to make you look it up, but you should know it. Okay. Now let's go look at the instructions again. Okay. Recorded employer payroll tax expense for May 15th. So, looking at May 15th information, we have up here May. Okay. Looking at this number. Okay. So you're taking this number. And that's the one we're using to times things out. I'm going to go through this with you for the first one. I know. I'm a big pushover. Okay. Social Security tax payable. Take that number and times it by what? Medicare tax. I wonder if... No. Yeah, it worked. Take my amount of my salary times 0.0145. Remember, this is my expense as an employer. That's why it's so low. Again. Whoops, that one did not work. It's okay. We can clear it. Now it's 5,000. I just got the instructions. There it is. I gotta times it by what? 0.008. And the other one I times by what it says. Should have been paying closer attention. State is 5 point something. Or you guys hopefully have it already figured out so that I look like a real fool and you have it all figured out, ready to go, and you got it, and you're really smart. I know you girls are smart. Why can't I come up with it real quick in the reading? There it is. Just got to find out the percent. There it is. 5.4. So times 0.054, right? Decimal. Edit. Copy. Control V. Now am I wrong? Seems a little high. Nope. I'm right. Okay, now there's no reason why if you add these together it doesn't come up with this amount. You should be able to work all the rest of it on your own. But if you have a question, you know, I'm just a phone call away, a text message away. My phone number, my cell phone number, 402-990-8313. Feel free to text me, especially during that class time. It's easier for me to text back an answer if I can, or at least my phone makes a little noise and I know that it goes off hopefully. Thank you. Keep working hard. You're ready for the test. Really work on this problem. Maybe go back over it, make certain you have it down, because the test is not a piece of cake. It's more challenging than some of the other ones, but you can do it. I have faith in you.